You don't even know me like that. Are you pressed for time? Put you in my mind. Come a little closer like that. Staying up all night.
Then you're gonna grab the primer you have and prime your face.
Smiling while you're cursing. I admit it's working. You're working. Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring.
So after you've done priming your face, you're gonna grab your clone white and apply it to your face. So you're gonna grab your sponge and just apply.
That's on you. I'm nervous that it's you. I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I'm nervous that it's you.
So right about now, you're gonna grab your baby powder, and what you're gonna do with this, you're gonna set the clone white on your face.
I know that we both should get back. Been losing my mind, like being lost in your blue.
For the fourth step, you're gonna grab your eyeliner pencil or a liquid liner just to draw the eyebrows.
Don't care, you're crazy, it's perfect. Shaky and I'm slurring. 'Cause I'm nervous. It's you. It's you. Oh, you. The second I saw you.
Going in with the same clone white that we applied all over the face, we're gonna clean up the edges of the brows just to give it a more neater look. So now we're gonna apply this black shadow around the eyes just to give your eyes a little bit more depth, right?
I'm nervous that it's you. I'm just saying.
Alright, so now we're gonna do a little bit of contouring just to define our cheeks. Going in with the same clone white, we're gonna clean up the line for the smile just to give it a clean and neat look. Alright people, so this is the final look. Don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell and of course share the video. Thanks for watching.